As you know, door weather stripping can deteriorate over time on these Fox body Mustangs, causing leaking and noise issues. So now, let's go ahead and replace it. Let's see how it's done. Alright, let's get this project started. In order to remove the door weather strip, we need to remove the sun visor, which has 3 screws. Yep, you saw it right. I just got hit in the face. Once the visor is off, we can remove the A-pillar cover and dash speaker cover. As we remove components, we can tell where the previous owner painted over the white interior, like on this portion of the dash. Now we will tackle the seal scuff plate. The seal plate is cracked and the original paint is flaking. This is another part changed to black. In this case, it appears to have been removed from a red interior car. Of course, I will paint it titanium gray at a later point. Further down the road, I may end up buying a new one, but at this time we'll go with what we have. The black carpet will be replaced with titanium gray carpet to match the original color for this paint and body scheme. We need to peel back the interior quarter panel carpet to access one of the screws. We have access to remove the door weather strip on this side of the car. However, we need to remove the A-pillar post trim first in order to get it fully out. We'll start at the windshield and work our way down. At the top of the pillar trim, we have a metal retaining clip holding the trim to the A-pillar. Let's rip it off. Okay, let's rip it off in many pieces. Still haven't gotten to the door weather strip yet. The pillar rail needs to be removed in order to expose the final portion of the door weather strip. As we install the new weather strip, we need to make sure we have good contact with the pinch weld. We also need to press the strip into each curve or corner. Up at the top, to fit the convertible, we'll have to trim it down. Now we'll put the pillar rail in. Not so fast. The top screw is not going into the pillar. The issue with the screw was with the header trim. The weather stripping in the header had completely deteriorated. This caused the header screw holes to align lower than the A-pillar holes. I replaced the weather stripping and the screw now goes in. Also, a previous owner did not install all the A-pillar screws, therefore I didn't have them all. So we ended up having to use a non-period correct screw. We're going to use some lubrication on the rail, and we're also going to use weather strip adhesive to ensure we get a nice good fit once we've it installed. Alright, let's get that part tackled and we can have this piece done. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe. You haven't done it already? Don't forget to smash the thumbs up if you like the content, and of course, leave comments. I love the interaction.